Butuh is a village located at the western end of Magelang Regency, located at an altitude of 1,750 meters above sea level, precisely in Temanggung Village, Kaliangkrik District, Magelang Regency, Central Java Province. It can also be called the highest village in Magelang Regency, with a natural layout or housing position that is neatly lined up facing south of the slopes of Mount Shumbing. Why is it called Butuh? A brief history of the origin of Bhutuh Village is that during the Dutch colonial period, at that time the ancestors who came from the Yogyakarta area because they were being chased by the invaders continued to flee and settled in a forest area at that time, Brajan, located between Temanggung Village and Butuh Village today. Due to the absence of water sources that are close to survival, then look for a higher place on the slopes of Mount Shumbing and precisely in the area of Butuh Village today. So it can be concluded that maybe because at that time our ancestors needed water to survive, so that's why it is called the village of Butuh. With the passage of time and the development of the era, currently Butuh Village has approximately 450 families or heads of families with a population of around 1,500 people. Butuh Village, Temanggung Village, has the nickname Nepal Van Java because of the structure of the residence houses, which are neatly lined up and neatly stacked with terraces which are similar to Nepal on the slopes of the Indian Himalayas.